Hello everybody. Oh my god, I look like a mess. I'm so sorry I look like a mess, but I just got off work and I had a pretty long day. So I'm gonna go home now, but before that I need to stop by a supermarket to get groceries, and then I think we're gonna get McDonald's for dinner. So we usually buy this cheese. It's usually cheddar and it's pretty good. So it's on offer right now. It's $8.79, so we're gonna get this one. Also, if you're into wine, this is super good. This is Pink Moscato from Bannock Station. It's Australian and it's super sweet, super nice, goes really well with seafood and also as dessert wine. So as I was exiting the supermarket, it started to pour, and I mean like thunderstorm. It was insane, and where I parked, it was kind of like partially covered, but because the wind was so strong that the rain kind of blew on me, and I'm kind of drenched right now.
I'm all dressed up this weekend for the first time in a long time. We're going to the mall. We're meeting up with some friends and we're going to do a little bit of shopping, and we're also going to get dinner. So yeah, today is like a pinkish kind of makeup, and these are earrings and this necklace from Plenty. So
the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? 'Cause space makes me sad.
So I just got off work and I am stuck in this massive traffic jam, and this kind of sucks because I'm actually rushing home because I'm going dinner with my neighbor, who also was my former colleague in another clinic, and he just moved to my building. So we invited some friends over, and we're going to get pizza tonight. And yeah, so I don't want to be late, but with this traffic, and also I'm also going to drop by this supermarket to quickly grab some stuff.